the beginning of November, I decided to tackle all of the rear rust on the back tailgate that I had been avoiding since purchasing. I had planned to do a trip in December to North Carolina, so I needed to make sure the damage was taken care of before making the 13+ hour drive. Alright, so it's been a while since we've seen this kind of angle of the Rover. I feel like I've spent the majority of last summer and this past winter in the cockpit adjusting things. And now it is time to tackle this guy. Just to give you an idea of some of the rust, this is what we've got working with right now. Somebody has taken some reinforced galvanized steel that you use for like stop signs and yield signs, and bolted it to the crossmember just to make up for this clearly glaring hole of an issue that's coming through. I ended up starting off the process by removing the tailgate, followed by the hinges, and then I taped off the remaining interior with a plastic sheet just to make sure that the dust was left to a minimum. All right, we're taped off. This is primarily just gonna try and keep down the dust levels on the interior. I'm worried that once I start grinding away at things, that it's just gonna, like a spark will fly and just like ignite the whole thing. After I assessed a lot of the damage, I realized that both the right-hand side and the left-hand side were completely chewed away with rust from all the years of dirt, mud, and water damage. Someone had recently completed a repair a number of years before I had gotten the truck, but it was a sad job at best. Well, that was easy. definitely some sort of rubber composite of some kind. But this is just what was hanging on the inside of my my rear crossmember on the right-hand side, just behind the fuel door. It's literally, like, I can like bend it and stuff. I have no idea what it is. If you have any ideas, let me know. If this is your first time coming by my channel, I have another video coming out next week on the install of the new Crossmember. So be sure to hit subscribe and you'll get an update when I have released that one. Also, if you found any value in this video or any of the previous ones that I've created and you'd like to keep the channel going, consider joining my Patreon. All of the work that goes into these productions is completed on my own time and money, and your support goes a long way. I will catch you in the next one.